jack
reflex.
Okay, the knee jack reflex.
Inner, 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 inner.
Located
Toward the inside of something.
Okay. Yeah.
She had the
Guests
to an inner room.
Okay.
Inner, inner, inner.
Okay, can I spell it?
I-N-N-E-R, inner.
Okay, inner. Okay, what's that?
Adjective.
Okay, adjective. Inner. Interior, internal. Okay, inside.
Inside.
Okay, okay. One catch for the inner
Ear tells ears. Ears tell them which direction is up there.
bendable. Okay, bend. Okay, this is bend. You know this bend. Bendable. Something can be bent. Okay, bendable. Bend. Yeah, see, this one is bendable. Okay. Okay, you can bend it. What's that?
Inner, inner, inner.
Inside.
Bendable, bendable, bendable,
Capable of being bent.
bendable,
Capable of being bent.
bendable, bendable.
Okay, spell.
B-E-N-D-A-B-L-E, bendable.
Okay, bendable. Yeah, like this. Bendable. You see the pencil. Bendable pencil. Yeah, bendable ruler. Yeah. Okay, there.
Bendable. Spies tell them. Let them twist. Like a
Spring. Okay. Bendable like a spring. Yeah, spring. You see, that's a spring. You see, that's a spring. Bendable like a spring. Spring.
has the first front half.
Front.
Half turns when then the back half follows.
Okay, your cat is have a front half, right? Its head under the paws, and then it turn the front half turns, and the back half turns follows.
This all happens faster than you can blink. Not only do cats have bendable spines,
Spines. Okay, what's this?
spine.
You see, that's a spine.
Bendable.
Bendable, bendable, bendable. Spine, spine, spine,
Okay, can spell it.
S-P-I-N-E, spy.
Okay, that's a spy. See, that's spy. Everyone has it, so people can stand up. Spy. Okay. Not only do cats have bendable,
Spines, they also have more of these spine bones than humans. This helps make cats much more bendable than people. Then they can even twist their front and back.
halves.
House,
Okay,
house,
okay, halves. 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 Okay,
in different directions. But cats don't always
what are you doing?
land safely. Today can still get hurt from falls. So it's best to keep pets, pet cat away from dangerous ha, eh, eh, dangerous
Heights.
heights. What is the other's purpose and main message is in this text. The others want to persuade readers that cats make great pets because they are built beyond
Bendable.
bendable,
Bendable.
bendable,
Bendable.
bendable,
Bendable.
bendable, bendable. The other ones do inform readers that cats
Bodies.
bodies are stronger than most other animal bodies. The other wants to persuade readers that people should be careful around cats. The other wants to inform readers that cats' bodies are built to help them survive falls.
Okay, so which one?
This one,
Okay,
summit.
okay, good. Let's read some. We may not finish it. We just.
My
What's that? Lettuce. It's a kind of vegetable. Okay. Yeah, lettuce. What's that?
Be bendable.
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 Don't make that noise. Why do you keep doing that?
Okay, do that.
Lettuce.
Lettuce,
Lettuce.
lettuce,
Lettuce.
lettuce,
Lettuce.
lettuce.
Okay, spell.
Lettuce, lettuce. A plant that has large leaves that are eaten
Especially
in
salad.
salad.
Okay.
Lettuce.
Lettuce,
Lettuce.
lettuce.
Can spell.
Lettuce, lettuce.
One more time.
Lettuce,
Okay, what's this?
lettuce.
Okay, lettuce. Man,
Lettuce is gone, Mrs.
Taurus, I think.
The following pronunciation is brought to you by
Torres,
Taurus,
Torres,
Taurus,
Torres,
Taurus.
Do
Taurus. Okay. Taurus. Mrs. Taurus.
Taurus cried one morning at the
Community.
community garden.
It's another name.
pronouncenames.com.
Esperanza,
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 esperanza, esperanza,
Esperanza,
Okay, Esperanza. Okay, Esperanza.
Esperanza. This in the from her garden path. She had to get out the neighbors
Nodding.
and saying that their vegetables were missing too.
Okay, community garden. You see, community garden usually they have some land and divided into many small patches. So you can, I think you can pay to rent one. Okay, you see, that's community patch. So you can use this one and somebody else use that one. Okay, this one, yeah, one family use this one, another family use that. It's a community garden, so that's why they are close to each other. Okay, so the vegetables are missing too.
It was a mystery.
Esperanza.
Esperanza knew she needed to talk for. She needed to look for clues. She
Neat. Okay, neat. I think we can stop here.